Good evening, everyone, to this spectacular day. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate investiture ceremony of Anekant English Medium School 2021-22. I take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome all distinguished guests on this special occasion of investiture ceremony of AEMS. Thus, on behalf of our school head, Mrs. Rakhi Mathur, respected teacher, staff, and I would like to give a gracious welcome to Mr. Dhaval sir, manager of the school and school management committee member. Also, I would like to welcome principal of Anekant English Medium School, Mrs. Rakhi Mathur, and advisor, Mrs. Smita Dhaulikar ma'am. Moreover, I also feel honor to welcome dear parents and my dear students. Thank you all for joining us on this beautiful and inspiring day. Before starting to any work, first we pray to God. Dear God, into your hands we place our worries, cares and troubles. Into your wisdom we place our path, direction and goals. Into your love we place our lives. So dear audience, you may eventually discover the beauty of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. As this day marks down the investiture ceremony of Anekant English Medium School. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremony of the school. This is the first time we have arranged this investiture ceremony in virtual mode. The galaxy of thinkers, honorable guests, dear teachers, respected parents and beloved students, how beautiful is this day? Because it is not only marks down the installation of an honorable member of AEMS to his workplace, but also it symbolizes education and its importance in our lives. Investiture means a formal investigating of person with authority, power, right, office and dignity. It is indeed rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. If your action create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, then you are an excellent leader. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of the school events. Our students stand here on the brink of new chapter of their life. Today, I am feeling very glad to announce the name of all selected students for the academic year 2021-22. First, I would like to announce the names of the school head girl and head boy with the vice head boy and the head girl. School head girl, Nisha Karde, 10th B. School head boy, Vedant Mukhekar, 10th B. School voice head girl, Sanika Nale, 9th B. School voice head boy, Athar Kashid, 9th A. Now I would like to announce school house captains. Amazon House, Captain Yash Godse, 10th A. Voice Captain Sakshi Rajak, 9th B. Eden House, Captain Shubh Ahire, 10th A. Voice Captain Utkarsh Sangude, 9th A. Mahananda House, Captain Tanishka Shah, 10th B. Voice Captain Vedant Awad, 9th A. Satlaj House, Captain Vignesh Jadhav, 10th A. Voice Captain Leher Devkate, 9th B. Now, I would like to announce the names of the prefects for this academic year. Shivardhan Sabkar, 10th A. Akanksha Poddar, 10th B. Srushti Sote, 10th B. Huzaif Patel, 10th B. Dhaval Raisoni, 9th A. Satyam Shrisagar, 9th A. Varsha Gaun, 9th A. Soham Ladkat, 9th B. Sanchita Pawar, 9th B. Anisha Devkar, 8th A. Athar Khamgar, 8th A. Sanskar Sorte, 8th B. Gausia Syed, 8th B. Pushkar Khandagre, 8th B. Arya Bhujbal, 8th C. Tanushri Raut, 8th C. Gayatri Godse, 8th C. Congratulations to all selected students, student leader for this academic year. Students of today are visionaries and torchbearers of tomorrow. When we develop the personality, skill, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. Today, as we celebrate investiture of our new students leader, we would also like to thank graduating student leader in the student counseling for their contribution of the school. So, to begin with the investiture ceremony, I would like to call upon Manager of the school, Mr. Dhaval sir, along with the principal ma'am, to confer our students with badges and sashes. The school student counseling is led by school head girl Nisha Karde. Walking forward proudly is Nisha Karde to take over as a new head girl. She is an active student. She endears everyone with her sweetness and innocence, but at the same time possesses rock solid determination to excel in every walk of life. We wish her good luck. The school student counseling is led by school head boy Vedant Mukhekar. Walking forward proudly is Vedant Mukhekar to take over as the new head boy. Vedant is multifaceted personality who believes that success is sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. He is a passionate learner with the potential life into his aspiration. We wish him a grand success. The school student counseling is led by school voice head girl Sanika Nade. Walking proudly is Sanika Nade to take over as a new voice head girl. She is a passionate sport person and she proudly represents the school at a various levels competition. The school student counseling is led by school voice head boy Atharv Kashid. Walking forward proudly is Atharv Kashid. He is committed sportsman and has made valuable contribution to the school team as its captain. We wish him good luck. The most anxiously awaited moment has finally arrived, swaying in ceremony. A traditional feature of Anikant English Medium School, eagerly awaited by all the students of the school. Years after years, it reminds us trust and confidence that we have reposed in our newly selected cabinet. I would like a request to Mr. Dhaval sir to kindly son the newly formed school head girl.
I, Nisha Satish Karde, student of Anikant English Medium School, pledge with faith and elegance to the great virtues and high principles for which we stand. I pledge to uphold the honor of my school, my teachers, and my schoolmates. I will always display graciousness and uphold the rules and values of the school. I will follow the rules and regulations and ensure that all other students do the same. I ensure to be fair and just to all with no prejudice towards any student and help everyone, those who need help and care. My thoughts, behaviors and deeds would always reflect the honor and knowledge imparted to me at Anikant English Medium School, Baramati. I, Nisha Satish Karde, will concentrate my life and devote myself willingly and voluntarily to the duties, obligations and to noble task of the rendering homage to God, of helping our parents, serving as a source of strength and courage as leaders in our communities and for the honor of AEMS. Thank you.
Now I would like to request again to Mr. Dhaval sir to kindly son in the newly formed school head boy Vedant Mukhekar.
I, Vedant Sunil Mukhekar, student of Anekant English Medium School, pledge with faith and elegance to the great virtues and high principles for which we stand. I pledge to uphold the honor of my school, my teachers, and my schoolmates. I will display graciousness and uphold the rules and values of the school. I will follow the rules and regulations and ensure that all the other students do the same. I ensure to be fair and just to all with no prejudice towards any student and help everyone those who need help and care. My thoughts, behavior and deeds would always reflect the honor and knowledge imparted to me at Anekant English Medium School.
I,
Vedant Sunil Mukhekar, will concentrate my life and devote myself willingly and voluntarily to the duties, obligations, and to noble task of the rendering homage to God, of helping our parents, serving as a source of strength and courage, as leaders in our communities, and for the honor of AEMS. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Now I will request to Principal Ma'am to come and give the pledge to our new young leaders.
We, the prefects of Anekant English Medium School,
We, the prefects of Anekant English Medium School,
solemnly pledge
solemnly pledge
ourselves as responsible student leaders.
ourselves as responsible student leaders.
We will show respect
We will show respect
to our teachers and friends
to our teachers and friends
and perform our duties
and perform our duties
with integrity.
with integrity.
We will display
We will display
graciousness
graciousness
and uphold the rules and values
and uphold the rules and values
of the school.
of the school.
We will be resilient
We will be resilient
when faced with challenges,
when faced with challenges,
and we will be the positive leaders
and we will be the positive leaders
who set an example
who set an example
for the fellow students
for the fellow students
through our positive attitude and actions.
through our positive attitude and actions.
We will follow the rules and regulations
We will follow the rules and regulations
and ensure that all students
and ensure that all students
do the same.
do the same.
We ensure to be fair
We ensure to be fair
and just to all,
and just to all,
with no prejudice
with no prejudice
towards any student,
towards any students,
and help everyone
and help everyone
who need our help and care.
who need our help and care.
We dedicate our sincere efforts
We dedicate our sincere efforts
towards upholding the sanctity
towards upholding the sanctity
and dignity
and dignity
of our dear school,
of our dear school,
Anekant English Medium School.
Anekant English Medium School.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you all students. Now, I would like to call forward newly selected school head girl Nisha Karde to speak few words.
Respected all AEMS authorities and alliances, I am Nisha, student of AEMS, on which I will be proud forever. Before I came here, it was just like other schools for me. But my comprehension of school made the difference when I became a minute particle of the campus. Yes, though the minute particle I will play the role of that emerald which enhances the magnificence of the heavenly place. I am already obliged with the support of Principal Ma'am and the entire staff who taught me directly or indirectly to be a better human. Dear AEMS, I am immensely overwhelmed to listen that I have been selected as head girl of the school. I am already in depth of the school and my lovely school added one more feather in my cap. I am very happy to be the head girl and will follow all the rules and regulations given to me. Though I am emotional at the moment, I pledge to all the teachers that I will perform my responsibilities efficiently. I know being a head girl means taking school at higher levels, and I promise you that I will take the AEMS to thrive at higher stages and set ideals for the forthcoming batch. Now the time has come, not through the words but action, to vote my thanks towards Principal Ma'am, Dahurikar Ma'am, our class teacher, and whole teaching and non-teaching staff. Thank you.
Thank you, Nisha. Your words will motivate all students. All the best. Now, I would like to forward newly selected head boy Vedant Mukhekar to share his thoughts.
Good evening, everyone. To those who don't know me, I am Vedant Mukhekar from class 10th, standing here for the prestigious post of head boy. First of all, I would thank our principal ma'am for thinking of me to be capable of this post. It's an honor for me to serve my school. School is meant to enhance our character. The teachers are the potters who molds the character of the student. The determination and hard work brings the best intricate personality out of you. They will upbraid you, criticize you, make you think over your mistakes, and sometimes might slap you. And at times they become a friend of you to whom you don't want to lose. The contribution of my teachers in my life is worth sharing it. I still remember the first day of this school, and now I am at the last year. This journey had taught me a lot. To the teachers, they were supportive and understandable. The relation between a student and teacher is well exemplified by them, taking classes of humdrum syllabus to a next level. The responsibility of a head boy turned out to be a docile one rather than headstrong, but I ensured to all the dignitaries that I will hold to all of my responsibilities. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant, and all the best to you. Now, I would like to request our principal ma'am to come in front and to instruct newly selected students about their duties, rules, and regulations. Also express her views about this ceremony.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all for this first investiture ceremony of Anekant English Medium School. This is our first batch, and we have started a new tradition. The system whereby we welcome the head boy, the head girl, the vice head boy, the vice head girl, and all the prefects and captains of Anekant English Medium School for the session 2021-22. I think it takes great pride and it takes great responsibility to become leaders. School leaders are important persons who are going to represent the entire school. They have to set the benchmark which will be followed by each and every student who walks into the gates of our school. It is the responsibility of each of these leaders, whether it is the head boy, head girl, vice head boy, vice head girl, or the prefects. You must be compassionate, you must be understanding, and you must try to ensure that each and every student feels at ease and is comfortable within the home. And in fact, the school should be like a second home for each and every student. Moreover, it is the responsibility of each and every leader to set a mark, not just in the sphere of academics, but also in the sphere of co-curricular. Certainly, a student who is a leader must set a high benchmark which each and every student should follow in their academics. Your performance should be exemplary, and you should be a role model for all the students who come into this school. In addition to studies, you should also show your talent in different fields like sports, music, painting, art and craft, karate, any other activities which are conducted within the school. You have an important responsibility to play. And I'm sure that the decision which I have taken, along with the advice of all my teachers, will be fruitful, and you will ensure that our school becomes one of the most and one of the best schools in Baramarti. So, best of luck to all of you. Make the school proud, and I'm sure you, each and one of you, will perform your responsibilities to the best of your capacity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable guidance. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience and precious time. We are extremely glad to have you all here today to celebrate hard work and success. Furthermore, we appreciate your valuable time you have shown today. Additionally, I would like to thank you, our guest, Mr. Dhaval sir, for giving his valuable time and sparkling our event. I would also like to thank to Principal Ma'am and Dhavalkar Ma'am. Again, I would like to congratulate all selected leaders, head girl, head boy, boys head girl, boys head boy, all captains and all prefects. Coming to the end of the ceremony, on behalf of AEMS, I wish you every happiness, success and peace. Thank you.